Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive, stock number X893X. 25,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Traverse brand new, tungsten metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. This Traverse seats 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, and rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Ample cargo space behind the third row, 60-40 split seat. Fold slide easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy. Again, only 25,000 miles. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. Full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.